In this video, we will discuss the top 6 best vertical pellet smoker. So let's get started.
Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 6. Pit Boss Grill's 77550. The Pit Boss Grill's 77550 pellet smoker is a great economy class smoker with a lot of cooking space. It comes with 5 porcelain-coated cooking racks that provide a total of 1,548 square inches of cooking space. This is enough to hold 15 racks of ribs or about 5 briskets. This model comes with a digital temperature controller, which is not a PID, but does a good job maintaining even heat. They call this model a copperhead thanks to the smokestack's copper-colored top. There's a pellet hopper built into the cooker's frame that can hold up to 60 pounds of pellets. You probably don't need to use all 60 pounds at once, but it's a nice capacity if you even have to do an extra long smoke. If you need to remove the pellets during a cook, the Pit Boss has a door at the bottom for easier clean-out. This is convenient for switching out the pellet types for a different flavor mid-cook. Number 5. Camp Chef XXL. The Camp Chef XXL vertical pellet smoker is another great economy class smoker that's easy to use. This grill comes with a Wi-Fi PID controller. When paired with the Camp Chef Connect app, it's simple to stay on top of your cook throughout the whole process. 2 included probes are inserted through 2 separate port holes conveniently located on the unit's sides. It comes with 4 standard smoking racks allowing you to cook enough food for a whole crowd at one time. It also comes with 3 jerky racks and a hanging rack with 12 sausage hooks on it, making it even more versatile. To make mobility easier, it has 4 wheels with locking casters. This is convenient when you need to store it away when not in use. There's even a bottle opener built right into the front, ensuring you'll always be able to open a cold brew while grilling. Number 4. Pit Boss PBV3P1. The Copperhead 3 Series pellet smoker is nearly identical to the Pit Boss Grill's 77550 pellet smoker except in a smaller overall size. It's got plenty of innovative and easy-to-use features that allow you to get smoking quickly. This double-walled, rolled steel unit is beautiful, with a hammer-tone copper finish on the cabinet. The large viewing window allows you to easily keep an eye on your food without having to open the door and release valuable heat. It provides about 800 square inches of primary cooking space across 4 porcelain-coated adjustable cooking racks. Ignition of the smoker pellets is easy with the automatic prime function. It has a 300-watt igniter and fan-forced draft system. There's an easy-to-remove ash cup which makes removing the built-up ash a breeze. You pull it out and dump it. It also has a grease bucket that will catch all the drippings. As far as performance goes, this unit gets high marks for retaining heat for a long time thanks to its good construction. Even though it's single-walled, it does a great job of keeping food hot. Number 3. Masterbuilt MB202502218. The Masterbuilt MB202502218 MWS 340B pellet smoker is a sturdy vertical pellet model with plenty of room and features at a good price. It has 4 chrome-plated cooking racks capable of providing 977 square inches of cooking space that's easy to clean. It has enough room for about 8 pork butts, 6 turkeys, 16 chickens, or 8 racks of ribs at a time. It comes with a digital control panel that allows you to control temperature and smoke time easily with preset smoke cycles. The 340B can reach smoke temperatures between 180 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Like most models in this category, it has an automated pellet auger system that feeds into the smoke box for easy temperature control. Number 2. Pit Boss PB 7000 SP. The Sportsman 7 Series is the best Pit Boss vertical pellet smoker model available on the market. Not only does it look great, but it delivers on its premium standing as well. It's built with heavy-gauge stainless steel to lock in the heat, as well as give it durability meant to outlast its 5-year warranty. It comes with an enormous 55-pound capacity pellet hopper, and can smoke meats for up to 24 hours at a time. It includes an electronic ignition system and digital temperature control system, making it very easy to use. 6 adjustable cooking grates provide a respectable 1,815 square inches of cooking space, plenty enough room to cook for an entire large gathering. Number 1. Pit Boss 5 Series. The Pit Boss 5 Series vertical pellet smoker is a smaller version of the Sportsman 7 Series and is a great model for beginners or someone with limited space for a vertical pellet grill. Even though it's a small vertical pellet smoker, its 5 cooking racks provide an ample 1,513 square inches of cooking space. The wood pellet hopper has a capacity of 55 pounds, which is pretty generous for a model of this size. It has a digital control board with 2 meat probe ports that help you monitor 2 cuts of meat simultaneously,